Go wash my neck. Look at that say. Go wash your neck. Matter if I don't black her. Body mouth girl. Me yesterday screen a card. The boy all over me. Him too clean for stomach stinkness. All when the boy come and TikTok comes along and do him live, him have to bail and present himself. All when him a bail and come by ya. All when him a bail and come by ya. All when him a bail and come by ya. You have to bail and put on chain and perfume. I mean, no, I put on perfume come along in front of my live and talk. You know, so them come over here and when him come over here come do him live stream or him in a like him a somewhere him a go. Chain, and at close. And I just so long and say, hello, good afternoon, how are you guys? And that stand play too much. So me did stink as wanna say. He would have kiss me here, all about. Him face wouldn't up in my face. Him face wouldn't up in our minds. I could talk the details them now. Someone wanna rotten old girl wanna step to me. Think me I do body like and stink up my blood clot career. Someone wanna body and stink. Antibody na lick off. Antibody are rotten from me on the bloodstream. Someone wanna girl stink from me on the blood clot, blood scream. In the blood. Type B stink. Look your wall doing on the blood clot, bro. Look a bit and tiny. Warm water, salt, and baking soda can't help you. I got blood clot for him. My woman lick clot and blood clot me. I want well experienced. So I say I want to travel. I want to go vomit up the whole plane. Me tell myself that I want to travel. I want to go vomit up the whole blood clot plane. I got Panama what day, yeah. I want to reach the Panama airport. Please take me. I say blood clot more piss. I'm going to go to the bathroom today, so. Run! Go peace. Mr. Blood clot. Who you hold and peace? It's the title of me going on. That's why I said that girl over there Munchie. When she blood clot talk out her clean mouth before rate her. She said the red woman them stink. You can't use bathroom for them. You look like the wrong bathroom going on. Two piece of coming up and I'm going to the bathroom. I said, but it a stinky but me for peace. So I cock up so. I let it all come in a slump on the toilet seat. I'm in a wipe. Come there for come out. But cock up stop. Me not talk about raw. Raw different from stink. Raw, you know raw scent. Me, Roselee know raw scent. Me know see raw scent. The woman stink. You see me go to the blood clot bathroom and cock up coming up. Bend down on the toilet seat all now, you know. Cause in there stink. You see me go cock up so I make it silent all bit shh. Cause you know when you want to piss as woman, you don't have to bend down, you don't have to slump on toilet seat, you just cock up so. I let it out. So you force it out, so shh, it done. I'm going shh. I say, bumbo clot. Chat, me can even spin stuff wipe. Me can even spin stuff, I take up the tissue wipe out, me hold me for run out. I say, it's a stink, like that some other shit and it stink. Chat. The person that use the bathroom, the side of me. Oh, me know. The center faller. If someone goes to go wash me hand, me say no. Bumbo clot. Say how the makeup on her blood clot stinking self. See a stinky, man, me say stinky. See how ya? Look a bit nice and white and pretty. Pretty. A pretty white blood clot, yeah. Red and pretty. And she have a Batty no flat, she have Batty. Me say the stinkness follow the woman go straight at the blood clot and wash. Me say for my barn till I never know so people could have stink so. Me say stink like shit. They set upon the blood clot woman. The woman whole blood clot. Me say me want me go in the Panama bathroom airport to wash me and me come out. Me no bother wash me on. The woman think bad. Me say bumbo clot. So me want more experience. Some want to talk move on the blood clot. We not talk about me, we not the worst. Because what? Me when I'm a good job, I'm a good degree and I live a good fucking life. Now have time to slow and work, but man when I live none. And that me know. Me know my good job. My good work. My good degree. My diploma, my stick. Now have no time to sit down and talk about a waste people. Now I live no life. Can't classify me as a worst now. My shape bad. My big ass stink. My mouth stink. My house dirty. Don't classify me as the worst. But as I could have present myself on the FYP with a ooh and a and wow wow blah blah bloom. Wanna chat me from now. Blood clot here. What wrong with the blood clot food or the boy cook yesterday? Nothing wrong with the blood clot food. The only problem I Roselee had with it, the pigtail was just a little bit sad for me because me have hypertension. I travel with high blood pressure when me have my 2 youth them. So the extra salty food that just hurt me head. Probably if the pigtail ever in me than yam it. Half. I scrape all the plate. The rice was well cooked together. You know, tough, it not soft. It just right as its position. The chicken food seasoned well properly. I'm going to tell him, so the only thing me have a problem with are the blood clot, pigtail. He don't only want to scar off more. Every blood, the boy no want her, the boy no want. Who want uno? Man want some uno? Man no want some uno? How much uno fuck for people married man after name the belly? How much uno take people married man and after name the belly? You know me never fuck a married man yet. A married man sad. Me a 32-year-old. And me never fuck a married man yet. I look how much I wanna fuck married man and salt. As long as the days in the life, we no salt, cause the wife tears the pan blood clot, you know. Leave me alone. And if Akim want uno, pan TikTok make him not come here and stress me out of film blood clot business that. Uno can't stress me out. No time. Kawa. It's when you put on good grace. It's when you put on good grace and you pray and go to your bed. And as long as the day of your life, God grace will follow you, you don't have nothing to worry about. Now watch your nights and the blood clot dance. You are telling me to watch your nights, you're going to make some like orange girl stress you over here. You can't watch your nights at the party. And everybody likes the greatness of people. You know what I'm saying to me yesterday? And it make my heart cold against some people over here. When you over here not get nothing. You not get no gift, you not get nothing, you're stagnant. You never hear no bag of chattings. But since you're over here and I get 2 gifts, you hear one bag of chattings and what them want you do. Go back where you come from. Go back and go sell peanut. They may want to say elevate from out to your community. They may want to say you them have nothing at all in their life. They may want to see the best see you. You idiot, my girl. Someone want to make a literal black. I don't want to know. If one of my number don't call me. Don't use me. Me here to know. Kawa. Who no wants the best to me, no time at all. And I always want me over here argue with some like careless blood clot people don't make no sense. Cause I'm gonna tell you the one thing over and over and it don't make no sense. Cause I know you're careless, so I'm gonna tell you you're careless like. And every time I argue, I'm gonna tell you say you're careless like that don't make no sense. I repeat myself. So, I don't really want to go back a sidewalk. I don't want some elevate. I don't want some people them have nothing in a life. I never have nothing in a life. I never get nothing in a life. Everybody's a blood clot problem. Man no want some away. Man always gonna satisfy him blood clot go. Man, every time a man have him woman, a man will have him blood clot woman in him house, him wife. And left her blood clot, with her belly full. Internet bill, pay every bill, pay and gone on a road with friend. Fattening me eye. See one blood clot girl and him cocky tiff upon him, so him said, that girl a nice, see? Come here. I get one money. Me a fuck now. She desperate money and say yes. When I look, it's an instant fuck pan you. When I'm done and all of this and all of that, him a blood clot, get him all him would suck. You a blood clot wife for you now suck your man wood, but girl, other girl out the road and near me half, all the balls. And him a pay feet. It's when the blood clot come home to you. Why if you want, baby, me there, up your jaw. Sleep tight, my baby. And when I like him lie down like it's him just lie down and ugly like nothing happen. I remember saying him just getting wood suck and fuck, And him not paying a bag of money for it. Cause some of the girl them we are freaky and they have my body for free. They don't want much. Cause them are strictly cocky in them, man. Him come home to you and lie down and kiss up like nothing never happened. Baby, you know I love you. You love I love you too. And I'm a fuck for you like dog. How much a blood clot wanna live with a man carry infection come go now? You know want to ramp with me? How much I wanna live with man? You not worry about me if man want me. How much I wanna over here in a box? When man carry infection come go uno and the mama and the family. You know how much man come carry gonorrhea come go no? And on a throat back. When I have one bad infection on a throat back, it reaches on a throat back and suck too much. How much I wanna? When a box. Man carry all type of freak disease come go no. All AIDS man go no. All type of disease man go no. How much I want to? I tell you, so now worry about the wrong set of blood clot things. You take me a blood clot mascot. Some of them where you chat, man carry type of disease come get all them system. Some of them man fuck them and them friend one time and turn them in a blood clot Google Mela. Them in a box of chat, man fuck them and them friend one time. None of them attack them on a body. Them a seek attraction and a aura come up. Them a look, them a seek for name. Me never saw I can seek for name, maybe me. I know the logical life. I'm speak the logical life. And the blood clot body now speak the sugar coat life to me not like them. The sugar coat life to me. If a boy no want me must can know that. Me no want a big old girl tell me that. Me a big woman. If a boy no want me must know that along the way. If me not see it now, me must analyze that, I must find out. Me no want someone to tell me that. Because someone married for 10, 15 years and man now want and I want to sit and still not leave. Someone married for 10, 15 years and man now want and I want to sit and still not leave. And the delusional them not live going away. Some of them know man, them husband I want them. And then my husband and my husband and my husband. Husband I look for you. My husband and my husband and my husband. Much I want to over here. My husband and it's my husband and it's my husband and my husband. A man I want to know. And it's my husband and my husband. Much I want to be over here and my husband. And my husband and my husband and my husband. A husband I want to know a blood. Hey, some things that some people said to me, may have just make me laugh to blood clot. The matter is over here. And my husband. Husband want them? Husband don't want them a bumbo clad. Husband want what? Sometimes man on the mark to someone for keep on as a footstool. When them go all over the globe and come back, him can't come back to no because on home sad. We're not going away. Man married to no keep him as a foot, someone as a footstool. I can go out and do anything that I want. And when I come home, I'm still gonna get me clothes wash, my food blood clad cook. And I feel like more I fuck him, I just fuck you tonight and that's it. Man eat some away. Much I want to do on the yard, no husband and man not even touch you now. You just dead I live like blood clad roommate. Eh? Yeah, there's a lot of things out there that man value more than even woman. A man value all him care or to him value more than woman, you know. We feel like say, man, I eat that. Man are the wickedest thing upon God land. A man by him care and value him care more than blood clot your pussy. Man value care more than woman, money more than woman, jewelry more than blood clot woman, liquor more than woman. There's a lot of things out there that man value more than we, woman. We have a splitter that need to bumbo. See the boy man want me. If a man buying blood clot car and him car lick up a morning, he mean a stress. Boy, I'm gonna fix my car and my car and my car and babe, I'm telling you, my car want fix and me not the money and this and that and I'm car and him car and him car. And the only thing you can blood clot or maybe sorry female help him fix it. Him still not go on you. Long as him care up around and thank you for your good grace, I take 2 fuck out of your wall, I gone again go explore. I never see a blood clot man who stay faithful all him life. Not even the pastor preaching a blood clot church now stay faithful. Cause him a fuck him wife, him a fuck the church sister them, and sometimes some of them fuck all the church brother them. A church them blood clot, you know. So which was someone who's so cool, stop ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Yeah, I'm not stupid. Not even a pastor will preach someone a bitches pie up on Sunday. Fuck all church brother and Batty. Fuck church sister. I have a wife I'm pitting at that blood clot. And I'm a pastor. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. And God says, man must not lie with another man, but you do it. Deacon in a church. I want the worst. God says a man that lie with another man and a woman that lie with another woman shall put to death. They shall be scorned. I want your blood can look at church over. I'm going to look at church brother run a back and stuck off the mood. And them run up all 5 church sister runners of a ton sodomitism in our church. And it's called church. That we go and say we're sinning God. The Father, Son, and the Old. Nobody's perfect. That me I try to tell you now. I'll not church. I see some of the wickedest, evilest, obia walker, blood clot people like Waldong. A long time when I Waldong people. Father God done putting a creation that someone can be trusted in a long time. That's why Judas did sell him out for 30 pieces of silver. When you can't be trusted. All your own shall fail you. You never hear that? All your own shall feel a nasty blood clot. Don't worry about me. How will me I do? Someone who one shall feel on the nasty blood clot. And someone who over here, a class people, and someone who back to class people, who know I got reap on a soul. It I got take on a family on a picnic. Remember me Roselee telling you today. Anything on a soul, I got reap it. Because you have to reap with your soul. Because if you plant can you get back. And if you plant melon, you get back. When you enter on the soul, you go reap on the soul. Watch. I see a particular individual particular. Every time in class, but I have to answer him. 2 days, 3 days, no problem. I stop answer when you go shall reap on the soul.